Okay, so I recently got a computer and everything is USB C nowadays. So I do have my external and things like that that are USB A or even my cell phone charger. So I needed a copper adapter just like this. And let me tell you, these things are fantastic. Really good price. It comes in a little box like this. It says Syntech USB C to USB, and it's gonna come in a pack or two. So far what I've done is that I've been using my external with no issue. I've been transferring a bunch of different files from one side to the other side, and as you can see, it kind of looks like this, right? So you have your typical USB A right here, and again, you put it on this, and then you stick this in your computer, right? So very, very simple. Again, really cool adapter. I also got it with my cell phone to charge my cell phone. I've been using it that way as well, and it works just fine. I got an iPhone, as you can see, just put it in there and I could charge my cell phone. I could also transfer videos into my editing programs and things like that. I just did that, right? So again, it looks really, really nice. It looks pretty tough, like really solid quality. And again, it's just one of those adapters that are very, very beneficial. So just a couple other things. Obviously, it's gray, like a space gray. So it kind of match with my computer. It's going to be in a pack or two. Like I said, it's going to fit with that USB 3 as well. It's going to be compatible with a bunch of things: MacBook Pro 2021, iMac, iPad Mini 6. So again, different things that it's going to be compatible with. You could get it in different colors as well. You don't have to get it in this space gray. There's a couple different colors out there available. And again, just a really cool adapter that is just going to make your life easier.